Hello everyone, if you're trying to use the Rockstar Games Launcher and you keep getting this error, online sign-in failed with error code 6000.87, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this on an error on the Rockstar Games Launcher easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to close out the Rockstar Games Launcher, and once it's closed, you're going to open up your web browser. You're going to search for Cloudflare Warp. You're going to go onto this link. You're going to click download latest stable release. You're going to go ahead and download the software, and once it's done downloading, you're going to go ahead and install it. And after it's installed, you're going to open it up. And once you're done opening it up, now what you're going to do is you're going to come here. You're going to click onto Cloudflare Warp. You're going to go into settings. You're going to click onto 1.1.1.1 with Warp. Connect it. Once it's connected, open up the Rockstar Games Launcher and try to play your games, and you'll see that it will connect correctly now. You will not get that sign in failed error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.